Y'all, what's good, y'all? I know it's been a long time, but like I always tell y'all, life take over, and we got things to do in our personal life, but we back with another video, and honestly, I've been accumulating a lot of parts for the coupe right here. So, one of the major things I was able to pick up was some seats, because you guys know I was tired of these seats right here. So, I actually managed to pick up some seats. Let me open up and show you guys better. I mean, they cool, they match, but they don't have that feeling to them, you know what I'm saying? And I've been searching for seats all over, and I just been very indecisive. So I ran across some seats that I actually like, and let me show you guys what seats they are right now. So I actually picked up some GSR blue confetti. I'm guessing they're gonna look good on the car. So I just need to find the back seats. So if anybody has the back seats or knows where I could get back seats that match these blue confetti, they have to be 4-door sedan. Integra GSR 4-door sedan. Without further ado, let me get to work and taking out these seats, and we're gonna see what those GSRs look like in here. So be right back with y'all. Alright guys, so the seats are finally on, and I think they look fire. I wasn't too sure about like the navy blue matching too much with the car, but it's like they look sick to me. So I'm gonna show you guys right now, but here's the old seats. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these factory seats, man. If somebody need them, message me or hit me up on Instagram. I don't know. We'll figure something out, but I don't really got no use for them, so if anything, y'all let me know. They pretty mint. Just need like a little quick clean, and then they just have this one little burn hole here. Other than that, they good. They function well. The seatbelt works. Everything works on them. So, but here's the seats inside the car. Tell me what you guys think, huh? Looking fire. Look at it from this angle right here. Whew. One of the big reasons I changed the seats too is because the GSR seats over here, they got like this adjustment. Let me go on the other side and show you. You see right here, these seats right here, they have like an adjustment. I know many of you know this, but for those who don't, they have like an adjustment. So the factory EG seats, they actually sit up like this. And for me, since I'm so big, it gets a little bit uncomfortable right here. So I was looking for a seat that I'll be sitting actually a little bit lower, and that's why I grabbed these seats when they popped up. But if you can see right here, the adjustment, I can adjust it down. So I'm actually sitting lower in the car, giving me more leg room between the steering wheel and this. And then the steering wheel has adjustment, but I have it all the way up already. So that's one of the reasons why I also put these seats on. But I think they look amazing, man. They look pretty cool with the car. And I was worried about them looking a little weird against the green, but they actually look really good. I think they fire. Since I was already here in the garage, and I had Big Red here, I had done like a cutout at the fuel pump, because let me show you guys. On Big Red's fuel pump, for those that don't know what's Big Red, let me show you guys. It's my 700 horsepower Civic. Show you under the hood. I know many of y'all know what this look like, but let me show y'all again. 700 horsepower, tuned on Q16, B series turbo. This is Big Red. So over here on the fuel pump, since I ran -8 lines, I have to run this fitting that actually protrudes higher than the body of the car. So the actual lid needed like a slot on it for me to use the lid and the fitting still go through it. So let me show you guys, because I was painting this right after I did the seats. So I painted it some trim black, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. You see, this usually comes all covered. So I did this slot here in order for the fitting to pass through the top of it. So let me install this and I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So here it is. It's a nice little trim black. Looks a lot better than that bare metal, you know what I'm saying? And I'm thinking about putting the panels back on here. Let me know what you guys think. I don't think putting the panels on gonna be a big difference, so I'm thinking about putting the panels back in the back. Let me show you guys my boy's GSR. It's an all original GSR. Well, the bumper and certain things is not, but you know what I mean. The VIN number is GSR and the swap is GSR. It's original matching numbers GSR. I'll show you guys. Got the leathers, you know what I mean? You need to show us some love. I keep telling him, but he just be too lazy, my boy over there. Y'all know most of y'all know my boy He running away from the camera. We're gonna chase him down. Yo, what's up, We gonna have to give that GSR. We gotta give that GSR some love or what?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Why you don't want to say what up to the people, man? You don't want to say what up to the people? You being camera shy?
No. What's up, everybody?
When we gonna show that GSR some love?
One day.
One day? He over here looking for 10s. Don't be stealing all my 10s, bro. Since I'm here in the garage looking for stuff to do, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but the carbon fiber hood was missing the little wiper nozzles here. And that was bugging me out, man. Even though it looks messed up, but I told you before, this car's gonna get painted, the whole car. So I'm just wanna get everything finished. And once the car's completely done, it goes off to paint. The wheels go off to powder coat most likely. And it'll be completely done. But putting these washers right here, this like make the front look even like a little bit more complete. What you guys think? It's just those little touches like that. I also gotta paint this right here and these wiper arms, but that'll be on another vlog. But let me start Big Red up because I'm about to put her back in the garage. So let's start her up real quick. See what she sound like. It's on 93, so it's a little rough. Warm her up before we put her back in the garage. Alright, so now that Big Red back in the garage, we're about to take the coupe for a little, I think I'm going to give it a little car wash because since we got the seats on here, you know what I mean? We want to give it a nice little wash and make sure it look good with well, not the new seats, but the new seats for it. So, let's go. Alright, y'all, so I finally made it to the car wash. After a few hours, I had to go home and change, so now it's now nighttime. But I got my guys here vacuuming it, and then I'm gonna run it through this. It's like a not automated, but it's like a hand wash, but it's in a inside of a car wash. Last time, it barely made it through, so I'm gonna show you guys right now in a little bit how close it is. But I don't want to drop this car lower any lower than this because sometimes I want to get a wash and all the hand washes are closed. So I come here in Queens and this is a 24-hour wash. So they're getting busy on it. But check out them fogs. Check out them fog lights. And them city lights, man. You're about to see what's going on right now. Let's see. Let's see how it come out. I just got out the car wash and the coupe is looking crispy. Let me show you. I know the lighting is a little bad, but it's looking real clean. But I really want to show y'all the seats again now that I vacuumed the car and everything. So let's see, maybe show you this side minus the rust spot. Let me show you the interior, what it's looking like right now. It look a whole lot better in the night too. Gives it like a little flow, you know what I mean? It's looking fire. Hella comfortable. I could be in these all day without a problem. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and like I always tell y'all, show me love. But y'all already know the saying. It's Chopper out of here. See ya.